despite continued financial stress on the government exchequer due to shortfall in the resources primarily because of COVID-19. This bears testament to our commitment to employees, economy. COVID-19 pandemic had a deleterious fiscal impact. While revenues were constrained, on the hand, the expenditure had to be stepped up for COVID-19 mitigation measures, protection of livelihood, and ensuring the development did not get derailed on the other. After the subdued growth registered last year, the state economy is projected to bounce back to pre-COVID levels. The advanced estimates of state economy for the year 2022 show the overall growth at 16.82% at current prices. The per capita income has moved up to 2,04,778 from rupees 1,76,707 last year, with a high impressive growth rate of 15.87%. Local global making Navaratnalu with STDs and localization. Amidst the persisting threat of the pandemic, our steadfast commitment to extending support to welfare of the farmers, women, children, unprivileged, marginalized and vulnerable groups continued. Our focus remains on high standards for education, health, agriculture, women empowerment and inclusive governance. The elaborate inclusive model of governance we have adopted under Navaratnalu to improve the lives of our citizens is proving holistic and merits replication by other states. We have implicitly adopted the UN's Sustainable Development Goals broad agenda of leave no one behind under the Navaratnalu framework, wherein all the SDGs have been mapped into the state welfare schemes that are implemented on sufficient basis. Through localization of SDGs, my government is ensuring that human.
Subscribe to Social TV Telugu for more videos. Hit the bell icon for faster updates.